takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, I'm out the next evening. It's about 7 o'clock. Sun sets in about 16 minutes. I'm looking out over the Rappahannock River. And I just received some ND filters. I have a UV filter on there right now because the evening light right now is, I don't need say an ND 16 or ND 32. So the UV is on there right now. I am in the Pro or manual mode, and my shutter is set to 1/200. ISO is at 100. Focal length 2.8. The manual metering is at 0.0. White balance at 5600K. So I'm gonna take it out, get some real quick shots over the river, and then call it today because it is starting to get a little dark. So here we go.